Dear, what's the big deal? So anxious.
Isn't it a big thing for children to go to school?
A primary school, national compulsory education. What are you worried about?
Why don't you worry? Education experts said we can't lose as a starting line. Our choice must be the top one. Educational resources must be different. They determine the future of our child.
Okay, anything you say.
I searched for the best 5 schools in the city. We must sign up immediately.
Wow, this school is very well decorated. It feels like a high-class hotel.
Of course, it's not as before anymore. We must make him like a real gentleman of the rich class, and he needs to go to school like this. As I know, this school have a strict interview with all students and parents. We can never be too careful and must be prepared. Perhaps we can ask for a professional company for help. Why haven't I got the information of the 5th school yet? It seems that we have to fight for ourselves.
Sir, do you want your child to go to the school?
Yes.
I have a way to help you to let your child to go to the school. Would you like to know about it?
Are you sure you can do it?
There's nothing to worry about. Everything is under control. You just have to pay. When you go home, you can tell family the good news.
As long as my son can enter this school, money is not a problem.
Please don't worry about it.
The school will take this matter seriously. They will visit every student who applies for the poor number of students. They will definitely put an end to this phenomenon of pretending to be a poor student and taking away the number of poor students.
You said that you would do well, and I thought there was no problem. How can this be?
This has never happened before. This is the first time.
Then, what should we do now? Do we really need to pretend to be a poor family?
I'm sorry. This is the only way.
How long do we have to stay here?
As long as the home visit ends, it will do.
We'll now determine your child is a poor student. Because we've found many wealthy students have also filled out the application form. Now we are sure your child can enter school. Congratulations.
Sorry, our child is not a poor student. We are very sorry about this. We should be punished, and we will voluntarily leave school.
I appreciate your frankness towards me. I will also turn your son into a normal student. Currently, only 2 of us know about it. But you need to express your gratitude to me.
Why do you do this? We did steal the qualification of poor students. We stole the better life they can live and the opportunity to receive a better education, and we will drop out immediately.
Asher went to the Tasia Public School and studied very well.
The school has taught me a lot. I swear to follow these values in my life: kindness, honesty, respect, and justice. Thanks to my parents for letting me study with so many good students. This is a good choice.